you mean take a breath and turn around?
Turn around. Hey, hand me that. Hand me that right there.
I cut that dope at the crib. I keep them racks like a real. I'ma go pop me a pill. Like a screw, I'ma give her the drill. Yeah, she said she loving my drill. If she bad, then I'm paying them bills. I put a cat on my lip. She give me chin like a beard. Woman for a show up verse, and I'm coming with that line, cause I'm thugging for real. Got two dead partners, I ain't even speak on, cause I'm trying to put his mama in.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy SYDNEY85LEE, and I'm back with another video, you heard me? Today we got a good video. As y'all know or don't know, my boy SYDNEY85LEE got in a little situation to where he had this car for a couple years, and long story short, he blew the motor in it, right? So he been without a motor for the longest, and he said, forget the car, he gonna let it go back. So he been like probably without a car for some months. So since your boy, you know, your boy not rich or nothing, but your boy got a little bankroll. So what I decided to do was, today I'm gonna surprise him with a car. Not brand new like I would want to, but I'm gonna give him a new car today. He don't know. I know he probably in his bed snoozing right now, counting sheep and shit. But yeah, so let's get to this video.
Yeah. Hop out of that van with 20 racks on me. These niggas be capping like that's my homies. Dropping location if you really want them. Ain't spending your block of this smoke all.
You hear me? So we finally just got out here. I just went inside, talked to the businessman, and he told me this the one I'm looking at right here. You hear me? It's a 2014, just like mine. He got $14,985 on it. But I told him if I give him 10,000, will he take it? He was like hell yeah. So I'm waiting on them to put a hot battery in it. I think the battery was a bad battery or something. So I'm waiting on the guy that's in the I guess he fixed the cars or whatever. Put a hot battery so I can go test drive and make sure it's good and everything. And shit, drop that 10,000 and shit, get out of here, you heard me? And then we're gonna go to SYDNEY85LEE house and surprise him with it. Oh, it looks just like mine. Yeah, what's that in this place? Well, I remember my wheel was this skinny. It looks just like mine though. Navigation, sunroof, that premium leather, powered by Beats by Dre, you heard me? Oh yeah, he gonna love this. He gonna love this. And they got that, that new car smell. You heard me? Yeah. Definitely, let's get this battery so we can get the fuck out here. They gotta jump it, but they got a hot battery on the way coming from O'Reilly's or some shit. So they gotta jump it so I could drive it just to make sure that everything good. Also gotta check out the fluids and shit. You know what I'm saying? But other than that, yeah, I mean, we about to, yeah. You know, him and gang, yeah, I mean, Mopar, no car. That's crazy. First time cashing out on a car. His name, my shit. Yeah, we got it started. Finally.
Go ahead, drive it, man. Hey, y'all ain't going, are you on the tag? Just on it.
dude say that he didn't want me to do the paperwork while on camera. He was like, I don't want to be on that Facebook, so I'm like, it's on YouTube. I don't want to be on the YouTube. But it's straight, so I'm gonna just go in here, sign the paperwork, and then I'm gonna get up with y'all, you hear me? But you know, 10 bands never went so fast, baby.
Don't wipe a nigga, no. 6// I won't never sell my soul. And I can back that. And I really.
You heard me? You know, they want to sell a car to a nigga, no gas in it. So, oh yeah, I'm gonna have to tell that nigga I always put 91 and 93. You heard me? Cause he used to 87 in that V4 that he used to have, that fucking piece of shit. But yeah, bro, we're at the gas station filling up. And I told him, I just texted him, actually, was he home? He was like, yeah, he at home. So we're about to go over there in a minute, you know what I'm saying? And pull up on him and shit like that.
Can't fuck with bitches who creep on my mention. She just post a picture that bitch is a rental. High like a dog when it's fresh out the kennel. Little bitch, I be ballin', but ain't no beginner. Posted on gun with that fire in my fanny and 2 twin Glocks that I keep in my Duffy. When it got clean, that I jumped in the beamer. Remember them days.
We about to call Sid right now and tell him to come outside so we can surprise him real quick.
SDK. What's up?
Whoa. Hey, you at home?
Yeah, I'm just chilling.
Alright, hey, look. I just pulled up outside. Hey, come outside real quick. I gotta show you something. Yeah. I gotta show you something real quick.
Alright, bet. Here I go.
Alright, bet. This nigga about to freak, bro. Whoa.
Record, bro.
I'm just shooting a daily vlog. What's good with you?
Why did he pee here?
Shit, because we had to pull up on you real quick.
Where he at?
That nigga just sitting in the car.
Oh.
Alright, so we got a gift for you. It's a little gift.
What you mean a little bit?
It's something that you always wanted. Yeah. You know, you always wanted, and you know, we thought we'd get it for you. You know.
Some shoes?
Something that you love as much as you like shoes. So take another guess. I know you wanted the red bottoms.
Yeah.
But it's not the red bottoms. It's something that you're gonna like a lot.
And here's some FlockFit.
I'm gonna get you some FlockFit
Alright,
real soon, but no, it's not FlockFit neither.
Alright.
Let's see. You like white. You always wearing white. You got white slippers
Oh, me.
and all that.
All white everything.
Yeah, you got white pants. You got white hats.
Yeah.
You like white.
Yeah. White girls.
You like white girls.
Yeah.
So, hey, I want you to take a breath and turn around for me.
What you mean take a breath and turn around?
Turn around. Hey, hand me that right there. Yeah!
Quit playing with
Hell
me.
nah! Look,
Quit.
nigga, that's how you your paperwork right here. Hell nah, that's you, my boy.
Tell him quit playing with me.
Hey, DP,
Bro.
it's we cap.
No cap.
No cap in my
cap,
rap.
no.
You hear me?
No.
Welcome to your Street Kings
Bro.
479, my boy.
Bro.
Welcome, my
Bro,
boy.
this is a prank. Chill, bro.
Hey, bro, this ain't
Here,
no.
bro.
No, this ain't, bro.
Bro.
Hey, if you don't want it, I'm gonna go give it to a homeless person.
I mean, if it's mine, I'll take it.
Bro, it's yours. Go and give him the keys, you hear me?
Bro.
The keys to the G's, you dead. That's you.
No, it's not.
Bro, get in your car, bro.
You for real?
Yes.
Hold on, bro.
Yes. You say you on the RT, right?
Yeah.
Bro. This you. Enjoy, my boy. Enjoy.
Bro.
This is you.
Bro, for real, this is a prank. Do not take this
Bro,
no longer, bro.
bro, this is not no prank. If it was a prank, I would have been stopped recording.
Bro.
And I would have told you because I see how happy you
You
is.
don't even.
Bro, this is you.
What?
This is you, B.
Bro.
Bro, this is you.
Don't play with me.
Hey, go and drive it up the street.
You gotta tell me.
You hear me? It's your world. You hear me? It's your world, my boy. You looking pretty good in RT, my boy. Ooh, that boy got that.
I'm still, bro. It ain't mine.
Hey,
bro.
yes, this is.
Bro,
This
so
is.
What you think?
This is your ghost. This is your
So
ghost.
what you think?
This motherfucker hard, no
This
cap.
for real, man?
Bro, this is you. Tried to wash it a little bit. Go and take it up the block.
Wait.
Bro. If this ain't mine, tell me right
Bro,
now.
enjoy your new Hemi.
You ain't gonna burn rubber though.
Hell nah, I want, nah, his parents gonna come out here and
Got you situated, boy. You situated now, boy.
enjoy, my boy.
Bro.
When I need a ride, make sure you come through and
Hey.
pick a nigga up.
Me too.
You dig?
Yeah. They feeling my style, they say I go crazy. Sucking my dick from the back was amazing. Pull up to his crib, let's get the bitch shaking. I keep me a loaf like I fuck with the baker. Fuck niggas stay hating, they never